Alright, everybody, check this out. I just trade some of my water lily plants with one of my friend Fern. Take a look at this side. See, I got some of the big one. This is a medium one. Well, this is gonna into a small pot, and maybe I get this guy. This guy is just a little bit broken on the bottom, but they still have some roots on it. So I think like I'm gonna plant this guy, right away. And this guy, maybe I'm gonna find a place in my garden, or maybe I'll mount it on the trees. We'll see. But take a look at the size. See how big it is? Take a second look at the big one I have. I think I have two of them. The biggest one. That's one, and this is one, another one. Have the pig moss. I'm gonna mix in with the regular organic potting mix. Okay. The pig moss more than the potting mix, and then two or maybe 1/2 part of the pig moss potting mix. It need more pig moss than the other soils. Okay, you can take a look. All right, this one was broken off, but they still have roots on it, so it's okay to save them. I get the pot for it, and then what you get the wire so you can anchor them down. Okay, so they don't get loose. So this is gonna be a right. This gonna be a right side about this side. Extra wire, you gonna go inside here. You want it go the outside of the mature leaves. Don't go in there because there's a soft leaf that may damage. So all you need to go inside there, and then one more loops. Be ready to go. Okay. This should be the right side. Okay. This should be the. See, should be like that. First, put in some rocks. This helps to stabilize the pot so they don't fall. Okay, put this in the bottom. This some in the bottom. Okay, get some more. Alright. So they don't fall anywhere. So, okay. Next thing, you're gonna add some soil. When done, I just put some more pig moss on it. Okay, just top it up with the pig moss. Make sure it's tight. See how it looks. here the thing is, if you see some leaves like this, I just remove it for the look. Damaged leaves, okay. Broken leaves. Some the plants that have a lot of roots, then you don't need to remove them all. I would say just keep like this, even though it don't look good at first, but it needs to have some leaves to be able to take the nutrients from the water, from the environment outside. The water that I'm using right now is from the fresh water from my fish tank. Can be used with rainwater, or if you don't have it, tap water would be okay, but let it sit for a few days so the chlorine won't be in the water. The point is that in the wild, the ferns, they take nutrients from the rainwater, so it's better to have the natural water for them to to be healthy. So all I'll do is just spray them very well on the leaves, and then you need to water them all over the soil too. This should be placed them in the shady area. I got this one called crispy wave. The leaf different from other. This one is wavy. This one is just a little bit wavy, but it's more like standard bird nest ferns. And these are Japanese wavy bird nest ferns.